Hey, what is up guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm showing you how to upgrade your nighttime running lights on the 7th gen nissan Maxima. It doesn't matter if you got aftermarket or factory like I do. It's two bulbs, two on the driver, two on the passenger. I'll be upgrading them from the halogen to Auxito. I'm partnering with Auxito, so if you go to www.auxito.com, you'll get 10% off using promo code Mark Rodriguez. And also Auxito offers 2-year warranty on all of their LEDs. So I'll be using these. These are red. In person, it's like a fluorescent pinkish orange color. And probably on the camera, it's picking up like orange, but it's actually red. But no further ado, let's get on. I'm removing all the grommet. So this one is a cargo net grommet. So you pull out the first latch first, and then pull out the second. Then we're going to remove this grommet. Now we're going to remove this one right here. With that removed, we're going to pull up on here. So once you pull up, you got the trunk cover sitting on top of the bottom portion. So let's remove that. And then you can remove this whole panel. So we're gonna remove that. And then we're gonna remove the mat, cargo mat. And we're gonna pull this back. There's one more grommet right here. I forgot about that one. So let me get the camera out of the way so I can move the mat. Just pull these forward. And then it's an 8mm. So we're gonna move those two. Once you got the two 8mm out, you don't have to disconnect this because we're not taking the tail light completely all the way out. So you'll have enough room to get behind it, change the bulb, and then slide it back in. Alright, so I'm gonna cut these open real quick. Now we're going to put the Auxitos in. Red wire is positive, black wire is ground. So it has positive, negative on it. So pop that in place, and then put that in. And then here's the second one. Same thing, red is positive, black is ground. Alright, so here's the Auxito. You can already tell it's pretty much the same color now, red. I'm not sure how well it's picking up on the camera, but this is a whole lot brighter than what the halogen is. And here's the halogen. You can only pick it up from really the side at an angle. You can pick up a glimpse of the halogen lit compared to Auxito. You see the whole thing's illuminated. So we're gonna switch over to night shot. Alright, so this is still the halogen bulb. As you can see, it's kind of like pinkish. And then here's the Auxitos. It's more red. So back to the day shot. Alright, so following morning, I was gonna put the other side markers into the driver. So once again, bottom two. Take out the halogen. And that red is positive. So I'll put that in. Then the second one. Red is positive too. Just pop it back in. And voila. So for the second giveaway, to win your set of Auxito LEDs for your nighttime running lights, go to the description below, read all the rules, and win your set. So you'll win 4 in total to complete the LED upgrade on yours. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.